Okay, this is an experiment I'm doing. A test between the microwave and a normal kettle. So I'm going to fill up 2 glasses. I'm going to fill up 2 glasses, the exact same water, the exact same temperature. And I'm going to put them to a test. I don't have a thermometer, shoot. But I have a feeling that okay, let's see. Are these both exactly the same? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put one in the microwave. Okay, I'm going to put one in the microwave, and I'm only going to do it for 2 minutes. Okay? And this I'm going to put in a kettle. This is a modern kettle. It's got one of these little switch things, as you can see here. And I'm going to pour this contents into here. Okay. Just to show you I'm not cheating. Okay. And we're going to do it for 2 minutes. Okay, so I'll have to hit this little button on here. And we're going to do it for 2 minutes. Okay. So, on the microwave, 2. Come on. 2, 0, 0. Come on. 0, 0. Okay, so and then I have to hit enter and start at the same time that I hit this button on here. Okay, so here we go. Microwave, 2 minutes. Kettle also will be 2 minutes. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh my God! Kettle wins! It's so hot I can hardly touch it. Whereas the microwave, I can still touch it. Kettle wins! Kettle wins! Yes! Kettle